everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So guys, today's video is very interesting. So in this video, I'm gonna talk with you about some of the fashion trends of 2020 which I find a little weird but at the same time very stylish and bougie and chic. So without further ado, let's get started. Before starting the video, I want to make it very clear that just take this video as a source of entertainment or just educate yourself from this video, but not at all feel that you have to buy these things because they are in trend. I'm not here to influence you or to tell you that you should buy those things. I'm not saying that if you are not wearing these clothes or you are not following the trend, then you are less than somebody. But it's just that it's my observation. I have just observed the whole year that what was in trend. I'm just telling you that, and do consider it as an informative video rather than teaching you fashion trend video. Let's start with the jewelry. So as I followed this trend this year, I feel that the jewelry has evolved quite a lot this year. So I feel that this year the gold and the chunky kind of jewelry was in fashion, and they are the link chains which we used to tie something. So they are very much in fashion this year, which I find a little weird. And before this year, I've never thought that we can wear those link chains as our necklaces. I think even in the winters they're gonna look amazing because you can wear them on your high neck sweaters or on your cardigans, and even they go with your blazers. Like, they are multi-purpose. I feel these gold necklaces, they are in trend this year and maybe 2 or 3 years more to come. These winters, I think that they're gonna rule the jewelry thing. With these gold chain necklaces, there is another jewelry piece which is quite in fashion. That is those gold lead chains. I totally love those chains, and they look very nice with deep neck tops and with V-neck tops. They look really amazing, and they are quite in fashion this year. You can always go for golden hoops and big gold stud earrings. I think this year was all about gold and gold jewelry has totally made its comeback this year. That was all about jewelry. Now, moving on to the dressing part. So this year I observed that so many fashion bloggers, they used to wear blazers and blazers with shorts. So in my mind, I was not aware about this fashion style that you can wear your shorts with blazers. It's a proper formal dress. So we never considered shorts to be formal. Another thing which is quite in fashion this year is that people are wearing so much different colors in their formal suits. Like, they're wearing pink colored trousers and blazers, like very neon pink color, neon green color, neon yellow color. Like, these colors I couldn't even imagine in rarest of my dream that we can wear them in our formal suits. So they look really amazing. The working environment, the working culture, that can also have that pop of color. So formal suits are no more just restricted to those black, white, cream, these sort of colors. So guys, another trend which I want to talk about is I always love to wear saris. If you know me, you know that I love saris. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see so many pictures of mine in a sari. So they have come up with this thing which is called dhoti skirt. Yeah, it looks really amazing. If you're wearing it with a crop top or with some blouse, it looks really nice, and they're so comfortable. They're just like a sari, but not sari. It has that proper look of a dhoti. Also look very sexy and elegant. So yeah, I just love those dhoti style kind of skirts. So 2020 was about dhoti skirt. I haven't heard about a dhoti skirt before this. So yeah, this is the trend I totally love. Next trend I want to talk about is about our footwears. So guys, this year I feel those glass clear strap heels were quite in fashion, and I totally love them. Before buying them, I thought that maybe they're gonna like give me a shoe bite because I have very sensitive feet, and I had this perception that it's just a rubber over there, clear rubber, and it will definitely poke my feet. But as I bought them and I wore them, they were really comfortable. So if you are thinking about buying those clear strap sandals, I would recommend you that you should go for your perfect fit, not very tight and or not very loose. If you're looking to buy something for your foot, you can definitely go for those glass heel clear strap sandals, and I really love them because they make me look taller. Yes, if you wear those clear strap sandals in nude color, and if the color matches with the skin color of your foot, then definitely it gives an illusion that you're taller and it makes you look taller, which I like. So yeah, that's why I really love this trend. So another trend which I come across this year is like wearing clothes over clothes, right? So layering was in this year. Like people were wearing white shirts, and over that they were wearing those bralettes or crop tops. So if you're not comfortable with showing like your skin, you can simply like layer that crop top over a shirt or over some other dress. It looks totally nice. Even if you're not comfortable with wearing those short dresses, you can wear something under it or something over it. So layering was totally in fashion this year, and I think it's a very smart way to dress as well. You don't have to show much of your skin. Another very amazing trend I want to talk about, and which is my personal favorite, is wearing waist belts. Yes, before this year I was not aware that I can wear my waist belt in so many different ways. You can wear your waist belts on your formal suits, on your sari, on your like ethnic wear, on your casual wear, like on everything you can wear those waist belts. You can get the waist belts which has broader strap, or the waist belts which has the thin strap, and you can wear it over your saris or anything. And if you are wearing something loose, which is of loose fitting, you can just put a waist belt, and that can give you that really amazing hourglass kind of silhouette that really enhances the look instantly and make you look more stylish and chic and amazing. So I totally love this trend of wearing waist belts over everything, just literally everything. And this year the trend which is back, that is prints. Flowers were all around. I've seen flowers on saris. Even I've seen some of the boys, they were wearing those jackets which had that floral embellishment or something floral in it. I've seen all those, Sabyasachi saris. They were back with their really amazing floral prints. So yeah, floral prints are in trend this year. Okay guys, so that's it with the video. I hope you will like it, and if you do, make sure that you hit the like button. And even if you don't like this video, you can always hit thumbs down. I want the honest opinion from you all people. That will help me do better and grow better. I hope you are subscribed to my channel and you have pressed that bell icon. If not, please do it right now, guys. It's for free, so please do it. And you can follow me on Instagram. It's sapna.sharma0203, and I post some of my content over there as well. So I'll see you there. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye. Wore these gold chain, this gold chain link. Gold. They have always wore. They have and.